Namaste, dear readers. Today we will be chanting a Katyayani Stotra that was sung by the demon Mahisha when goddess was slaying him. This is given in the Nagarakhanda of Skanda Purana in 121st chapter. Let us chant this stotra now on this auspicious Vijayadashami day. Danava Uvacha Jaya Devi Jaya Chintye Jaya Sarvasureshwari Jaya Sarvagate Devi Jaya Sarvajanapriye Jaya Kamaprade Nityam Jaya Trailokya Sundari Jaya Trailokya Rakshartha Mudyate Hyakuto Bhaye Jaya Devi Kritanande Jaya Daitya Vinashini Jaya Kleshachide Kante Jaya Bhakta Vimohade Tvam Srishtistvam Varadevi Tvam Lakshmi Tvam Saraswati Tvam Swaha Tvam Swadha Tushtihi Pushtirmedha Dhriti Kshama Tasmat Kuru Prasadam Me Pranan Raksha Dayam Kuru Pranatasya Sudinasya Hinasya Cha Visheshatah Aham Durvasasa Shapto Hiranyaksha Suto Bali Mahishatvam Samanitaha Tvaya Devi Vimokshitaha Tasmad Darpah Pramuktodya Maya Danava Sambhavaha Kinkaratvam Prayasyami Sampratam te Sureshwari Jaya Sarvagate Devi Sarvadushta Vinashini. Thus Mahisha praises Devi Katyayani and tells to her that he will become her servant, and he requests her to spare him as he lost all the pride and ego which he had, as it was his demonic characteristic. Since he does not have that ego now, Darpa Pramukto Adya, now I am free from my ego and pride, hence please give me an opportunity to serve you, he requests. It is said that is why Devi has his head in one of her hands, and that head lives forever.